Hello friends, welcome to KKOC Polytechnic YouTube channel. Myself Rakesh Shevle, working as a lecturer in KKOC Polytechnic Nasik. In this video, we are going to discuss on object-oriented programming using C++. For today's video, our topic is parameterized constructor. In this video, we are going to discuss on following topics: parameterized constructor, how to write parameterized constructor, examples on constructor, implementation of parameterized constructor practically. Parameterized constructor. These are the constructor with parameters. Using this constructor, we can provide different values to the data members of different object by passing the appropriate values as argument. To create a parameterized constructor, simply add parameters the way you wish. Pass the parameters in any function. Syntax of parameterized constructor. While writing the parameterized constructor, the class name and constructor name must be same. As you see in this example, we highlight the parameterized constructor with red text. The class name and constructor name must be same. Under the definition of parameterized constructor, we have to pass the variables. Now, let us implement parameterized constructor practically. In this example, we have to write C++ program to declare a class student with data members as roll number, name, department. Declare a parameterized constructor with default value for the department as CO. To initialize members of an object, initialize and display data for student. Friends, in this problem definition, we have to define class student. Under this class, we have to create parameterized constructor. Under this parameterized constructor, we have to pass three variables: roll number, name and department. While passing the values through the parameterized constructor, the default value for the department variable is CO. Now implement this program practically. Initially, we have to insert header files iostream.h, conio.h. In our problem definition, the class name is given student. Under this class, we have to accept member variables as roll number, student name and department name. Under public access specifier, we have to write parameterized constructor. So while writing the parameterized constructor, the class name is student, so the constructor name must be student. Under this constructor, we have to pass three variables: roll number, student name and department name. While passing the department value, we have to pass default value as CO. So we build a program. Okay. So after the construction of the entire program, just overlook the program. Initially, we insert the header files iostream.h, conio.h. So in this program, the student parameterized constructor student is written. Under this constructor, we pass the three parameters: student roll number, student name and department name. While passing the value, department value, the default value is given CO. For display the details of the student, we return a display function. Under the display function, the details of student like roll number, name and department are displayed. After that, in main function, the objects of student class S1 and S2 are created. In S1 object, we pass the two values, roll number and student name. Third parameter we not passed in this object because the default value of the department is already passed through the constructor. So here we pass only two parameters, roll number and student name. So here we create the two object S1 and S2. As you see on the output screen, the student details are displayed. Summary. Friends, in this video we discuss on parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor allows us to pass the arguments to the constructor. Typically these arguments helps to initialize an object when it is created. Next we discuss on syntax and examples of parameterized constructor. While writing the syntax of parameterized constructor, the class name and constructor name must be same. Under the definition of constructor, we have to pass the variables.